Do you suffer from dandruff? If you ever noticed white flakes on your shirt, then you probably have dandruff. Dandruff is unpleasant because besides the white dry flakes everywhere, it also causes itchiness, irritation, and a burning sensation on the scalp. All types of hair can have dandruff, as it is caused by excessive dryness or oiliness. The secret for getting rid of dandruff is controlling the oiliness of the scalp with shampoos specific to it. The good news is that you can also fight it with natural medicines made at home, which will eliminate the dandruff while nourishing your hair. Did you know that? To learn more, watch the suggested video. But today, we will see how to make a homemade anti-dandruff shampoo with essential oils. Write down the ingredients: 3.4 ounces neutral shampoo, 5 drops lavender essential oil, 3 drops cedarwood essential oil, 2 drops eucalyptus essential oil. In a 7-ounce dark shampoo bottle, add the neutral shampoo and the essential oils, stirring as you add. How to use it? Wash your hair with this shampoo twice a week, massaging your scalp in circular motions. Let the product act for 2 minutes before rinsing. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Besides this natural shampoo, you might need some habit changes to be free of dandruff and keep your hair healthy. For example, avoid showering with hot water. It stimulates the production of oil in the hair roots. Avoid fatty foods. Don't lie or sleep with wet or humid hair. Don't scratch your scalp with your nails as it can wound your head. Massage the scalp with your fingertips, always gently and with circular motions. Avoid wearing hats and caps. If you have dandruff, try adding these habits to your routine and using our shampoo. Then come back here to tell us the results. You will notice results in the first 2 weeks of use. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.